is Jessica MUA here on social media. You can find me like that on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So today, you guys can watch me do Ari's makeup. We're gonna do something really fun and colorful.
Okay, random question. This one says, what size shoe do you wear? You guys are weird. Who cares? Well, my size shoe that I wear is actually 7 or 7.5. It just depends on the shoe. I feel like when I was pregnant, like se me hinchó el pie a little bit more. What do you think? Like, did that happen to you when you were pregnant?
Más o menos, casi no. Todo igual, casi.
Yeah, I don't know, like, se me hinchó a little bit, but I mean, who knows? I've been freaking pregnant like back to back. So the next question was hers actually, in which I responded like this. She's like, hey, I should do your makeup. I was like, come through, girl. So she's here. So another question was, what do you do to keep the romance alive? That's actually a really good question. It was so funny because I think it was a year ago, we went to Havasu to the lake and we met some like really nice people. And everybody was just drinking and having a great time. And I think Matt met like the husband. And then they were like, yeah, we've been married for, it was like a lot of years, no me acuerdo how many. But Matt was like, wow, what do you guys do to keep your your marriage alive? Like the same question. And he, it was kind of inappropriate, but he was like, man, I just let her lick my you know what I mean? And I was laughing so much. I just thought it was really funny. I wanted to share it. But for me personally, I don't know, I just feel like once your significant other's kind of like your best friend, and there's like no hiding of who you are, or like, you know what I mean? Because sometimes I feel like a veces before I used to be like shy to say certain things or do certain things still. But now I feel like we're like in the point where we can be like ourselves completely, like 100%, like from the like smelliest fart to like the stupidest question, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So I don't know, I just feel like once you get to that point, everything's just fun because that's like your best friend, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I mean, I guess like also being like super like honest with your person. For example, if you have like this thought that you're like, oh man, I don't know if I should ask him, like you should just ask it, you know what I mean? Because that makes it,
you're already living with them.
Yeah, you're already living with them, and that alone makes it exciting because you're not like shy to ask that person no more. If it's like a fantasy or like literally anything, I feel like that's the cool thing about keeping it exciting, because you want to try whatever you're thinking about, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think that for me is how I keep it exciting. Being open, exactly, there you go. Okay, so since I just answered a foot question, here's the other one. They're like, a lot of people were like, can you show us your feet? Or like they were like selling feet pictures or whatever. I mean, my feet are not done right now, so don't even ask me to show you guys my feet. But I have, people do tell me that I have good looking feet, I guess. I don't know, that's kind of weird. But if you guys would like to see feet content, go to my link in my Instagram. I guess you guys can find all your questions answered there, to put it that way. What do you do for a living? Well, first of all, I'm a mother of 4, so I'm a mom first of all. Second of all, I am a content creator. To be more specific, obviously I do YouTube, I do modeling content, and yeah, just Instagram, all TikTok, literally like all the social media stuff. That's what I do for a living, guys. Somebody was like, do you still have a P.O. box address? I don't, I'm sorry, I actually never checked it, so I just let it go. Oh, here's one. Somebody was like, are your tubes tight? If so, did you notice changes in your monthly period? Or serious question, or I'm sorry, she said serious question because I'm considering after my 3rd baby. So no, my tubes are not tied. Did I want to get them tied? I did, but since my last pregnancy was like an emergency C-section, I guess you're supposed to like do some kind of paperwork before you before you go into C-section, but I didn't have that option, so I didn't have it. And the other question, do I want to have more kids? You know what, I'm like 50-50 because I'm like in the time of my life right now that I just want to work on myself. Not just physically, you guys, because that's obvious that I have to fucking, you know, put my body back together, but like mentally too, because, you know, pregnancy is not easy and it took a lot on my mental and the postpartum and all that. It really took a lot. So I'm just working on all that good stuff, but if it happens this year, but if it doesn't, then I think we're done. You know what I mean?
Okay guys, so today we're gonna do a little bit something more colorful. I think last time I did something more brown toned and just a little more light. A high pony,
A high pony.
half down, half up.
Yep, it looks really cute with my little blonde streak. So I'm so excited. So if you guys are interested, like I said, hit her up. I'm gonna put all the links underneath below. And if you guys wanna see the content that I'm about to create with this look, go check out my link as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye!